Recently, we've had many people putting DEF in their diesel side of their fuel tank, which I kind of understand because the caps are right next to each other. However, we have a lot of people that say, I don't know how you would do that, but it's very easy to do. It is. It's a common thing, and we've seen it a lot. So depending on what happens when the DEF gets into the fuel tank, there's a couple different ways to go about it. This one, the guy didn't actually start the truck, so we don't have to go deeper than this. But what did we end up doing to this, Josh?
We had to pull the tank out. He put 4 gallons of DEF in the diesel fuel, so we're now currently draining it all out. We're going to get the tank all nice and cleaned out, replace the fuel filter, and see what happens.
Yeah, all right. And if he had started it, I mean, it's really dependent on how long the truck ran. What would that look like? What would we have to do then?
I mean, it could possibly damage the fuel injectors, CP4 pump.
Yeah.
Luckily, this isn't the case.
So it's pretty important to pay attention to where you're pumping your DEF and your diesel fuel. That's for sure.